Hey, what's up everyone, this is Tulsiram from Codon. Today we are going to take a look at Boat Airdopes 441 Pro. So let's roll the intro. Let's begin the unboxing. This is a new Boat Airdopes 441 Pro with their tagline, keep you grooving. It comes with the Swift connectivity Bluetooth 5.0. You can also use this as a power bank. It comes with IPX7 water and sweat resistance so that you can use it in a swimming pool without any issues. Well, on the side, if you see, it comes with 6mm dynamic drivers. It also uses IWP technology, which means it will connect instantly as soon as you open the lid. The best feature of this device is it comes with a 2600 mAh carry case, which means you can use it as a full-fledged power bank. You also get capacitive touch control and one-touch activation for voice assistance. If you see the price on the box, it says 6,990 rupees, but the actual price is around 2,500 to 2,900. They change their price occasionally. Let's talk about what inside the box. You get a Type-C cable, and also the build quality is pretty good. It does not feel like cheap plastic. You also get some extra tips and hooks for the buds. You also get a 1-year warranty card, which you can claim by scanning the QR code and registering the product. You also get a small booklet which contains information about other boat products. Finally, you get another booklet, which is the manual one, which is very important because a lot of people find it very difficult to reset these earbuds, and all of the information is available in this booklet, so don't lose it. Well, the case comes with the boat logo on the top, and the box is completely matte finish, which looks pretty good. At the front, there are 4 LED light indicators to show how much charging is left in the earbuds. You also get a button to show how much charging is left inside the case. You get 2 ports at front. One is Type-C for charging the case, and the other is a USB to charge your devices. If you see on the back of the case, you see a few other details, like you can use 10-watt charger adapter to charge this case. It also comes with 26 mAh battery and some few details. The look and feel of the earbuds are pretty good. If you see inside, the 2 earbuds design is pretty nice. You get a touch sensor on both of the sides which light up when you touch it. The lights are in red, green and blue colors. These 3 are the only colors which you get. It's an in-ear design, so it will fit comfortably on your ears, and the microphone for the calling. Now let's talk about the button functionality of these buds. A single tap for pause and play, a double tap to move your song forward and backward. You should use your right earbuds to move your song forward, and you should use the left earbuds for moving your song backwards. When you get a call, you can single tap to accept the call from any of the earbuds. You can also cut a call with a single tap when you are on a call. If you want to disconnect a call and you don't want to receive it, just hold on any one of the earbuds for a few seconds and it will disconnect. To activate your voice assistant, just hold any of the earbuds for 2 seconds and it will activate any of the voice assistant. Now let's talk about the calling quality of the device. The calling quality of the device is pretty good, but here is a sample test which you can hear. So this is the audio quality that you get when you are on a call using these earbuds, and I feel like this is pretty good. Now let's talk about the gaming experience. The gaming experience is pretty good, but here is also a sample test. The earbud comes with 35 mAh battery, so you can easily use these earbuds for around 4 to 5 hours on a single charge. But if you are using the case, you will get around 140 hours of playback time or 150 hours of playback time easily. The best point about these earbuds are you can use it as a power bank because it comes with a 2600 mAh battery, so you can easily charge both your smartphone and also the earbuds at the same time without any problem. The only problem I found with these earbuds are that you cannot control the volume using these earbuds. Except that these are amazing headphones. Now let's talk about the verdict. I feel like these headphones are pretty good in terms of sound quality, in terms of calling quality, and these are on budget. For 2,500 you get around 1 year of warranty. It's a complete plastic build, but the plastic is pretty good in quality, so I did not find any issues. Even when I'm wearing these headphones, I'm shaking my head, does not fall easily, as you can see, and the touch sensitivity is also pretty good. Now if you feel like buying these headphones, I'll provide the link in the description from where you can buy these headphones. Before we end the video, thank you for watching and be sure to hit that like button. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay home and stay safe.